having when you buy games from the Apple Store. So as you can see, I bought this software, this game Worms 3, and I bought this one as well. So these are like very old games, but they did a remake of these games and they make an adaptation to run it for Mac. So I've been playing with this game like maybe 20 years ago in the 2000s, but I saw the game. I said, okay, I'll give it a try. So because always I was able to use it, in Windows computer, but never in Mac. So I said, okay, if they have a version for Mac, great, I'll give it a shot. So basically, I download the software. I was trying to play with it, and the problem is the mouse doesn't work. So if you want to use the mouse, it will not work with the game. Is at least my memory. I play with the mouse, and with the keyboard you cannot play that well. Also, there are missing features, but it doesn't matter. So the problem that you're going to have with Apple is it doesn't matter what you buy, even if you try to buy a virus or anything like that, or when you request for a refund, they will tell you not eligible for a refund. So I'm going to tell you what you can do in order to get your money back. So that way you don't have this issue. So I'm going to give you I will try to avoid buying games here at all costs. And I know in Europe you don't have to do that. They have, they're not locking you up with the App Store. So basically, you can buy it, elsewhere. And so if you have an iPhone, if you have a Mac, with a Mac, it doesn't matter. Usually you can buy them outside of the App Store. So the problem that you're going to have is they may block your credit card and you're not going to be able to use it anymore with the App Store. But I think there is a way around. So one, I've been using a PayPal for now. I didn't have any issues. But if you want to get a refund, you have to call your credit card or you have to call Apple. Or another thing that I was thinking now is maybe you can get privacy, at least here in US works like that, and then you can link privacy to your bank account or your credit card. Usually it's your bank account, and then you can create a virtual credit card. And if they block the credit card, it doesn't matter. You can create another one, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. And the only downside is also I was having an issue one time, Apple, because I was doing that. I don't have any problem paying for software, but if the software doesn't work, I want a refund. I don't want to just throw dollars away just because they have, software that are not working properly. So I have a lot of software here, and most of the time, if the software is good, I don't have any issue, paying for the software. For instance, I have a Final Cut, I pay for it. Also, a compressor, the motion, and a few other software more. Like here, for instance, this one, a better snap tool, and a few others. I don't care, I don't mind paying, but if it doesn't work, I want my money back. Like most people will do that. So okay, so that is one. I had this issue with Apple, and they blocked my account. I had to call them and I say, hey, what happened with my account? They say, well, we block it because you request a refund. I'll say, I'm sorry, I will keep asking refund as many times as needed. If you're not refunding me this, because I'm asking, I will have to go using the hardware. The hard way will be, using PayPal or the credit card and then asking a refund. So that will be my advice. Try to avoid using the App Store. So if you have a different experience, please let me know in the section below. And hopefully this video was useful for you. Thank you and see you next time.